Hey yo guys, it's been a minute.
2,000 years later.
I'm so sorry. It's because of I don't even want to say it, but e-learning. Oh, sorry about that, guys. E-learning has been wild. Assignment after assignment after assignment after assignment. I don't want to get into that. Let me just get on with my video. My video is positive vibes only. So in this video I'm going to talk about how to glow up. I might be fresh now, but I haven't always been fresh. And these are my tips on how to become fresh. So number one, hair. Guys, hair is key. That's the first thing we look at. That's the thing on top of your head. It's all over your face. Like when you look at your face, there's hair. It doesn't just go to girls, it also goes to guys. Guys be keeping hair everywhere, and then they even know that it's not flattering to their face.
Wow.
Why not try some mohawk situation? I don't know if it's called a mohawk or a table cut. Try that. Try to cut some hair in the sides. Experiment. I mean, we're in lockdown now. This is the time to experiment on your hair.
Period.
Cut your hair, dye your hair some, dye it black again. See what works for you. See what makes you go in the mirror and say, damn. If you're not going to the mirror and saying, damn, you need to try something new. Yeah, be yourself. If you're feeling comfortable in this, be comfortable in this. But aren't you comfortable with looking good?
I am the one, the way your son don't need.
Do that shaggy hairstyle thing. Don't always just be at no, me, I don't want to look scruffy. Sometimes scruffy is good. So some guys, when they do knit hair, they comb their hair. You're like, But when they make it scruffy, you're like, And for girls, I'm telling you the truth. Try to buy Peruvian hair. I know Peruvian hair is expensive. It's not for everyone and stuff like that. But you guys, 8-inch is not that expensive.
Period.
Even a bob is fine. Bobs look amazing. I personally love bobs. I'm in a bob right now, so you don't have to buy the longest of hair. No, Peruvian is expensive, so I won't buy it. No, even kabob. Come on. Number 2, care for your skin, guys. When I say care about your skin, I just mean these two simple things like wash your face before you sleep. Don't just put anything on your face. Don't wear makeup every day. Those are some of the tips that will care for your skin. Drink lots of water. It's a start. Once in a while, just buy something expensive for your face. Just the more expensive, the better. I'm telling you. Make sure your skin is being cared for. You see that your face will just be glowing on its own. Whether you have pimples or not, they will go. Number 3, buy yourself some new clothes. I love buying new clothes. I don't mean the most expensive clothes. Yakuma, Edgar's, Woolworths, whatever. Even Salaula, guys. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Salaula is for everyone. Whether you buy from City Market, you buy from Kamala, you buy from town, as long as it looks good, guys. Wherever you buy them from, just make sure they look new. If it's Salaula, just make sure they look new. That's all. At least Salaula, when you buy something from there, you won't see anyone with it. You'll be unique. You'll be rare. No one will, oh my gosh, we're wearing the same stuff. Yeah, some people don't like twinning, so it's better you even buy from Salaula, so that you are the only one in the world with such an outfit. You know, don't just buy anything at no. Because all the tops are 3/4, I'm going to buy 5 tops. Make sure you have clothes that go with those tops, because shopping wise, it means getting a top for 3/4. Yes, quite alright. But do you have a skirt that goes well with this top? Do you have a trouser that goes well with this top? Don't just buy it. Hey, it's cheap, it's cheap, it's cheap. Oh, it looks good. Just because it looks good doesn't mean you should buy it. Make sure you have stuff to go with it. Unless you're buying a whole outfit. That's when you can buy whatever you want. But if you're buying just a top, make sure do you have the trousers for it? You're buying green. Do you have what to wear with green? Green is a hard color to coordinate. So make sure you're shopping wisely. The last one I have is self-care. Okay guys, most of us are so busy doing school stuff, busy with business, whatever you may call it, we forget to self-care. Self-care is treating yourself. A hot bath, you are like, no, just bath cold water just cause it's faster. No, give yourself that hot shower. Do nice things for yourself. Buy yourself some nice stuff. You don't have to wait for someone to treat you right or to make you glow up. Yourself, you are capable of glowing up. You glow yourself up. Even all these tips are part of self-care. If you can treat your skin well, buy some nice outfits for yourself, that's all part of glowing up. Self-care. And in this lockdown, I guess what we can do is write a list of stuff that you need to do for yourself. Maybe take yourself out, buy yourself food. All that is self-care. You just see yourself glowing because there's that natural glow. Not just with makeup, not just with what, all these other things. Makeup is also good for growing up, I mean, but you can also glow up naturally just by doing all these things that I've said. And this is not just a thing to make people change who they are. If that's how you are, that's it. But change is good. Change is for the better. Glow up, look good for the gram, get back that ex. Make that ex text back. I'm just joking. So stay tuned for my next video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it.